Add clarity and consistency to your tasks with predefined options. With Jotform Boards, you can use single-choice fields to standardize how your team categorizes tasks. I'm Penny with Jotform, and in this video, I'll show you how to use single-choice fields in Jotform Boards. Let's get started. First, go to your workspace and click the Create button in the top left. Select Board. You'll see different options like starting from scratch, selecting a form, using a template, or importing a board. For this example, choose Use Template. Search for and select the Weekly Work Schedule template. Click Use Template to create your board. When you land on Jotform Boards, this is your main dashboard where all your tasks and workflows are organized in one place. Your board is structured into columns, helping you track work stages and understand progress at a glance. You can add tasks, assign them, set due dates, and drag and drop them across columns as work moves forward. At the top, you'll find search and filter options to quickly locate tasks. On the right-hand side, connected assets keep related files and resources accessible from your board. Now, let's customize this board for our use case. Click on Add Group. Let's name it Employees. This is where we'll list our team members. Click Add Task to create a new card. Enter the name Isabel Anderson. Click on the three dots in the top right corner of the card. Select View Task to open the card and manage its details. When you open a task, this is the detailed view where you can manage everything related to that specific item. At the top, you can navigate between tasks and access options like cover, checklist, and task fields. The main section shows key details like the task title, assignee, priority level, due date, and tags. You can assign the task, adjust priority, and organize it using tags. You can also add attachments, descriptions, and formatted instructions to provide context. At the bottom, the comments section allows your team to collaborate and track updates. Now, let's add a single choice field. Click Task Fields at the top. Then click Add Field. Select Single Choice. Name the field Options. Add predefined options like Product Designer, Back-End Developer, and Front-End Developer. Click Save to add the field. Then, close the window by clicking the X in the top right corner. You can fully customize these options and update them anytime to match your workflow. Now select Product Designer for Isabel. Single choice fields allow users to select only one option, keeping data consistent and easy to manage. This helps your team make quick decisions by selecting the right category every time, without confusion or inconsistent labels. Let's add another employee. Close the window and click Add Task again. Enter the name John Doe and click on the three dots to open the card. Use the same field and select Product Designer. This ensures every task is categorized using a single standard value. You can use single choice fields for many use cases, like task status, departments, priorities, or workflow stages. Now close the card to return to the dashboard. You can filter tasks based on these selections. Click the search bar and filter option at the top. You'll see quick filters like Assign to Me, Urgent, Due this week, Due next week, Due today, and Overdue. For more control, use Advanced Filters. Select a condition like Options includes Product Designer. You can also add more filters clicking Add New Filter. Click Apply Filter to see the results. Now you'll see all employees who are categorized as Product Designer, helping you quickly understand team distribution and workload. This makes it easier to organize, group, and manage tasks across your board. And that's how you can use single choice fields in Jotform Boards. Standardize your data, simplify categorization, and improve visibility across your workflow. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.